Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of portable cleaning solutions with a product that caught our eye, the Cordless Portable Washer, a handheld battery-operated cleaner designed for car, home, and outdoor use. If you're curious about this innovative tool, we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cordless Portable Washer? This compact device is built with a powerful 775 motor that delivers an impressive 990 psi of pressure, making it a reliable choice for tackling a variety of cleaning tasks. Whether you need to wash your car, clean the patio, or spruce up your garden, this cordless washer is designed to make your cleaning routines quicker and more efficient. One of the standout features of this portable washer is its battery-operated design. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, it provides the freedom to move around without being tethered to a power outlet. This lightweight washer is perfect for those who want the convenience of portable cleaning. Imagine easily transitioning from your driveway to your backyard without having to plug and unplug a cord. Additionally, the cordless portable washer comes with a foam pot, allowing you to create a rich foam for deep cleaning. It supports multiple cleaning modes, including a jet cleaner and spray cleaner, making it versatile enough for a range of tasks. From car washing to bike cleaning, and even reaching those hard-to-get corners of your windows and walls, this handheld washer adapts to your specific cleaning needs. Another impressive feature is the 23-foot elastic hose. This extended reach means you won't have to constantly reposition the washer or strain to get to those farther areas. It also includes a weighted filter and filter basket to help keep out leaves and impurities from your water source. Whether you're using it with a faucet or drawing water from a bottle, the included connectors make it simple and hassle-free. Who is this washer suitable for? It is ideal for homeowners looking for an efficient way to maintain their property, car enthusiasts who want to keep their vehicles spotless, and outdoor enthusiasts who need a portable solution for cleaning gear and equipment. If you have a garden or patio that requires regular upkeep, this washer can make the process much less daunting. Practical use cases for the cordless portable washer are abundant. Picture yourself cleaning your car after a weekend road trip, effortlessly blasting away dirt and grime without the need for a complicated setup. Or think about tidying up the patio after a barbecue, with the foam pot ensuring your surfaces are sparkling clean. You could even use it to wash down outdoor furniture or clean the kids' bikes after a muddy adventure. In terms of setup, the cordless portable washer is designed to be user-friendly and easy to assemble. It comes with a storage case and a waterproof storage box, making it convenient to carry and store away when not in use. This means no more lugging around heavy, bulky equipment. Everything you need is neatly organized and accessible. In conclusion, the cordless portable washer is a versatile, lightweight cleaner that simplifies outdoor cleaning tasks and provides flexibility for a variety of use cases. Its powerful motor, battery operation, and thoughtful design make it a fantastic addition to any home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget